So now I will continue with the identifier. Okay, what is an identifier? Well, basically, it's a fancy name for calling it a name. Okay, so there are like certain characteristics that the identifier shall comply for you to use it successfully. First of all, whenever you want to write a name, well, something, you need to make sure that it complies certain standards. Okay, what is okay to use an identifier? This letters, numbers, digits. With digits, I mean small things like 32 or whatever thing. Okay, pretty much this is the same thing like this. And the underscore. Underscore is like this thing. Okay, so what is it forbidden? It cannot start with a digit. So writing this like one puppy is wrong. I'm sorry for the puppy, but this is wrong. Okay, you cannot write like some spaces in the middle of it, like happy day, happy, a space there, writing day after it. That would be wrong. Okay, so this is wrong too. What would be wrong too? Using like another symbol, just like, I don't know, rampa, rampa, and using this more than thing. There. This is wrong too. Okay, sorry for grandpa too, but that is wrong. Okay, what is okay is to use camel case. Camel case is the fancy way of writing names and numbers, well, variables, in a way that you know what exactly it is. For example, if you wanna write a variable that's called Tech de Monterrey, okay, the first letter should always be like small letter, Tech, okay, then the next one should be like a big letter, capital one, and then you write the rest of the word. Monterey. Okay, this is a happy variable. This is a happy name. Okay, another example. When you want to know the day of a week into a variable, so we can write it like day of capital O F. The next one is a capital W. Okay, this is okay, and this is camel case. Okay, so whenever you have more than one word, you need to use camel case. Okay, this is a Java standard, so try doing it. If you don't use it, you're gonna have a lot of troubles because the evaluator is gonna consider that the variable is wrong declared. Okay, so try to use camel case whenever you use complex variables, complex naming variables. Okay, let me just give an example of letters, numbers, and digits. Like I don't know, test one. It is okay to do. Okay, but this thing should be just one word. Finally, whenever you declare a class, we'll get to know what a class is like in a couple of slides, but for now, classes are always started with like capital letters. For example, informatics, if that's the name of a class, it should always start with a capital letter. We're gonna get into that more detail, what a class is. For now, just remember this.